Hi there, today's conversation is about ratings. Are they a good thing? Well, I think that's open to debate. They can be a problem, but then equally it's difficult for distributing peer review without rating, and they do give great clarity if they're managed well. So what is good when ratings are good? Essentially, I say you need to consider first of all, the language that you use within a rating. Don't use terms like average. What you want to do is achieved, fully achieved, and make sure that the language is positive and aspirational. In all organisations, you are expecting to get a normal distribution, certainly in a population of more than 100 people. So if you're expecting a normal distribution, it's interesting because people don't want to be the normal midpoint. So a way of getting around that can be about having, rather than a 1 to 5 rating, having a 1 to 4 rating scale and take off that top significantly overachieved term. What that then means is that people generally, the midpoint is going to be the 3, and people feel positive about being in that area because they see themselves as being above average. They're above that mental midpoint. However, you still allow people to be able to then rate an overachievement of a 4. In reality, organisations very rarely mark outside of that 2, 3 and 4 mode. So if you take off that top 5th one, psychologically it can be more effective in terms of giving people a more motivational experience, but still getting a distribution between 2, 3 and 4. We might return to this topic.